Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got two Volkswagen ID Buzz. Both of them are by Hot Wheels. One is the ID Buzz, the standard one. The other one is ID Buzz Bomb. So this Volkswagen ID Buzz was released earlier, and the ID Buzz Bomb was released this year. They are similar but yet very different. So I thought I should just make a compare video to show you guys. So even from this angle, you can see the roof is different in both the vehicles. There's a spoiler on the ID Buzz, not that big of one on the normal Buzz. Buzz Bomb has one. You can see on the side, it's more like a panel van. This one is like a standard van with windows. So windows there. Just talking about the casting, so blue windows tinted, not a big deal. Both of them similarities. If I talk about the similarities, both of them has nicely detailed front end, dual tone paint, and mirrors are also present on both of them. Now this is what you can see from this angle, so let's move to a different angle and show you what different it is. I'm gonna move to the driver side first of all, because front is almost identical, no major differences there. So I'm moving to the driver side to show you what differences are. Obviously the bumper is slightly different, but then again it's the color execution, nothing big. So on the driver's side, if you look, I'm just gonna put them here like this. So on the driver's side, you can see the actual or the original ID Buzz, the yellow one, has a sliding door and a driver door. But on the Buzz Bomb, there's no sliding door, it's only the driver door. So it's more like a panel van. And you can see that the windows are closed, so there's Buzz Bomb stickers on that. Wheels obviously look different. The standard ID Buzz has same size wheel. On the ID Buzz Bomb, the rear wheel seems a bit bigger compared to the front one. So those are the differences. Similarities do look same, the driver doors. Now coming to the back. So on the back there's a huge difference. The standard ID Buzz has a tailgate or lift gate like you have on a hatchback, so it's like a hatch. But on the ID Buzz Bomb, it's a split gate, so it opens actually like a door, not like a hatch. And also you can see the location of the number plate and Volkswagen badge has changed. On the ID Buzz Bomb, it's moved on one of the door rather than being on the center, and it's not detailed like you see on the ID Buzz. No windshield wipers obviously, because it's a closed panel, opaque, no glass. Now passenger side, so this has some similarities. As you can see, there's a door here just like the ID Buzz, but again it's no glass, nothing, so it might be just to load stuff, I guess. Apart from that, they are same kind of vehicle, I would say. Bases also look pretty much same. So yeah, that's the difference and similarities between both of these casting. Both of them are mainline, by the way.